Spread positivity like wildfire, like wildfire. Life doesn't always go your way. This is why we gotta say we know all too well, all too well. Making the best of all we can, taking the good with the bad, 'cause we'll go on, we'll go on. Families all around the world, from every boy and every girl, just sing along, sing along. Spread positivity like wildfire, like wildfire. Take a long stroll down the street, let the ground caress your feet. Remember to stay grounded, stay grounded. Help someone who is in need, be the living hand that helps you feed. Perform selfless deeds, selfless deeds. Negativity can be all around. Stop a while and hear the sound. Just sing along, sing along. Spread positivity like wildfire, like wildfire. Feel like there's no place to go. Inhale a deep breath and take it slow. There's plenty of time, the best we know. Try to find the people who help you grow. Negativity is part of this life, but sometimes it can help you win and strive to live a better tomorrow for you and us. Listen to these words which we say with trust. Spread positivity like wildfire, like wildfire. Spread positivity like wildfire, like wildfire.